Have you heard of the Runway of Life concept? It's not my idea. It was taught to me by my dear friend for 50 years, Joe Segal. And it goes like this. And it puts it all into perspective. This is your runway of life. You were born here, and you have to decide when you think you will die, because we know we're going to die. So you decide. So you say, let's say 90. It makes no difference. Could be 80, could be 100, it makes no difference. Let's say that's 700 weeks. So that's your runway of life. Most people look at it saying, I'm going to live 90 years. How old are you?
22.
0 to 22 is gone. Its history is past. So your runway of life is 22 to 90. My runway of life is 80 to 90. That's my runway of life. So you don't want to waste it. So that's how I think you've got to look at life. It's a runway of life. It's got a middle, it's got a beginning, a middle, and an ending. So doesn't mean you have to work yourself to death, but you've got to make every day precious, because we're running out of days. So you're going to sacrifice today for something, for being here, say 8 hours. And then you're going to be with your girlfriend or whatever, you're going out with the guys tonight or whatever you're going to do. So what are you going to sacrifice today for? If you look at it positively, you can look at it negative, say, holy smokes, my life is speeding by. Well, it is anyway, whether you like it or not. But if you look at it as a runway of life, we've only got so much time. So what are we going to do with that time? I want to live the best life I've got, because I've only got 700 weeks left. So what am I going to trade that week for? Well, I'm going to have an argument with Kay. Am I going to have an argument with my valuable EA? Am I going to have an argument with people at the company or clients? Not likely. I'm going to do everything I can so that we get along with whatever the issue we're talking about or discussing. And you might buy advertising, you might not buy advertising. But that's the thing is, first of all, are we getting along? So if we're getting along on our runway of life, and you're getting along with me and I'm getting along with you, it's a lot easier for each of us to, let's say, sell or convince the other person to be involved in what we're doing.